Information like no other starting at 6. Thanks for joining us on this wet and cold Thursday night.
Yeah, record just hit in Flagstaff, the most snow in one day ever, and we have plenty more to get to. Our crews stationed across the state and beyond.
All watching the weather, how people are doing, road conditions, and power outages.
Each marker on this map where we have crews, but we start with our storm squad coverage in Prescott, where Justin Pizzera is tonight. People there seeing several feet of snow today, and now a state of emergency is underway.
Hey, good evening, Katie. We are here in downtown Prescott. Now, when we were here reporting for the 10 o'clock news last night, there was no snow. Take a look at this. What a difference about 24 hours makes. You can see the snow just kind of piling up on all of the light posts. You can see even down here on the garbage can how much snow that we have got here. The city has issued a state of emergency. Basically what that's going to do is that is going to help them clean up, recoup some of the cost from the cleanup, because this is quite the storm. Prescott normally does get snow, but this amount, this is rare. The city also is escorting some of the ambulances. They're using plows to escort those ambulances to and from the emergency, making sure that they do not get stuck. That just shows you how bad some of these roads are. The city is urging everyone to stay off the roads. There have been some breaks in this storm here and there, and some folks have gone out, but they're urging everyone, please stay inside, because they are working to get these roads clear as soon as possible.
Snow in Flagstaff not slowing anyone down there. People out at Snow Bowl still skiing in these conditions, not letting the snowstorm spoil their vacation. And tonight, Cameron Pullum is there talking to others.
People here really taking the weather in stride. Visitors from all over with mixed reaction. To some, it's just a great snow day.
We're gonna go get some sleighs and we're gonna go sleighing. We already got 2, so we need 1 more.
We've seen people working out in the snow too. Mr. Postman still making his deliveries today. Nothing stopping him, even having to step over the piles of snow in his path. Real dedication, even in this weather.
A hard job for sure. It's no easier in Payson, where our own meteorologist John Patrick is watching that snow pile up.
Well, the snow has been absolutely relentless in the Payson area all day long. The plows have been trying to keep up on the roads, but at this point, they're just fighting a losing battle. We've stacked up a good, let's see here with the yardstick, about 9 to 10 inches of snow so far. That's a record for the Payson area for today, and we're well on our way to one of the top 10 snowstorms in the Payson area. Just about 9 more inches would make this a top 10 snowstorm for Payson all time. The town is ready to set up a shelter at the local high school if conditions get worse and people have power outages. With just 7 snow plows for the town, crews are working overtime to keep everyone safe.
They'll go until they get wore out, and then we'll switch drivers, bring in some of the other water department crews and parks crews, let the streets guys get some rest, and then swap back out again.
In Payson, meteorologist John Patrick, ABC 15, Arizona.
We also want to show you this brand new video sent from ADOT.
Whoa.
Watch this SUV here, skidding across 3 lanes of traffic. You can see it narrowly missed a semi and other oncoming cars. This was at I-17 at Daisy Mountain Drive, and luckily nobody was hurt.